This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 14. So, the running topic is set. As of now, we completed integer, float, Boolean data type, complex, and the above are basic data types. Length function will not work. Simply, we can call immutable. Length function is will not work. We cannot access them by the index concept. Length function is not working means we cannot access them by the index. Like a equals to if you store one number, this approach will not work. A of index number 1, A of index number 2, this approach will not work. And then after we completed str, string, range, and list, tuple, ninth one, set, we started here only we are. Now one question from Satish. Satish, tell me, is it possible to, yes, I'm asking, just you are throwing one question. I'm asking everyone, not only Satish. str object is mutable or immutable?
It's immutable.
Mutable. Mutable. If it is mutable, I can do this one. Index A equals to Z, I want to write it. If it is possible in the same address location, answer will be this one. Index number Y present 1, Y, I want to replace with Z. Item assignment is working. You can give that answer mutable or immutable two ways. Either with help of the, how can we say, how can we say a object or a any type of object is mutable or immutable? First one is a item assignment, line number 15. Second one is a methods. Yes. Now will it work? One more time I'm asking. Let's we will test it otherwise. See, this is a default loaded one. A equals to, I'm taking as a Python. Yes, we know very well what is the index one value in the iterable object of A.
Why?
Why?
Here I want to replace with Z. One more time I'm asking. Is it possible?
No,
No, no, no.
not possible.
Not possible. Even any one of the method of str object also not supporting. We have a 47, sorry, what is it? 47 components are there here. Next to target. So it is immutable. What about range? Range,
Immutable.
Yes,
immutable. List,
mutable.
Mutable.
you can use any one of them. Item assignment or any method will give that answer. Immutable. Only the first one as of now, that is a list.
List.
It is a mutable. Immutable. What is your conclusion for set? Running topic.
Both.
Both mutable and immutable.
Mute. Mute. With the help of the item assignment, it is immutable. And add method is a mutable. What is the main purpose of set? Simply. What is the main purpose of set? Main purpose.
To avoid duplicate.
For the duplicates.
Simple answer. Yes. Avoid or ignore or ignore the duplicate values. Repeated any value more than one time, duplicate it will ignore them, and it never ever follow the insertion order. And we have some methods also there. Please keep on. We cannot create the empty set with a direct curly braces. Please remember this is a wrong one. It is a dict. If you want to create a empty set, you have to go to the dict. Sorry, set function. Set function only you have to use it to create the empty set. Non-empty set purpose you can use anyway. You can use any data type inside of that one. You can use it. Yes, Rahul. Rahul, please keep on.
Yeah. Tell
One
me.
question here is so what was the real time scenario where we can use as a mutable or unmutable is a set. So when you say set as a square bracket is in mute immutable and set as a regular curly braces are like a immutable. So what was the real scenarios like to just understand on this point?
I mean, you're asking here only. Na? It is a not
Yes.
a square bracket. It is a function. Altogether is a one entity.
Hmm.
Even if you take a equals to what is this one? What both will give? What both will give? Non-empty or empty?
Non-empty,
It is
empty.
it will give
Both
an
are empty.
empty. Yes.
Both are empty.
Both are empty. This is a completely one entity. All 14 data types, 13 data, 13 functions are there. With every data type, there is a one function is there. So what is the main scenario of any data type? With the same name, one function is there. If you closely observe from 1 to 9, even with the int function is there, float function, like every data type having, even range directly we cannot create it with possible only with function only. What is the purpose of with the functions or this curly what parenthesis brackets concept? Why they are introducing list? Already one approach is there now. Why they are introducing one more concept? Simple. Any other data type, if you want to convert into list function is helpful. Any other data type, if you want to convert boolean function will help. Directly, some of the data types direct syntaxes are available. Like here square brackets and here it is a parenthesis brackets are available, acceptable. But even though why they are introducing one more concept tuple, so what is the purpose of tuple? Any other iterable object if you write here, any other iterable object if you write here, that will be converted as a tuple. That is the main thing. So convert other data types to tuple function. Convert other data types to list function. Convert other data types to set function will help us. This is a direct syntax, but the direct syntax is as of now not available for every data type. Example, this one. Even set also empty set we cannot create directly. Even now one more set also there here. Frozen set also there. 10th data type. So one conclusion, sir, where we are going to use, just leave it for that one. Why? Because our upcoming sessions are different way we are going to discuss with 25 modules. So just concentrate on these data types, 14 data types, almost last 14 to 15 days, we are talking only data types. So just to consider, remaining are easy, operators, classes, functions, it will take 3 to 4 days only. Out of these 35 sessions, I will cover whatever your outside is available, core and advanced Python. Remaining 40 plus days, we are going to work with automation based on the modules. Even these 35 sessions also I want to provide end-to-end information, not like simple thing. When we good at these 14 data types only, we can work with any application. For example, randomly, if you take the set, yes, the core point you're there, ignoring duplicate values, ignoring duplicate values, ignoring duplicate values. Simple. For example, I have 1 lakh records are there, totally connected. One web server is there. For that, from monitoring tool, I'm collecting this log file. I want to collect the IP addresses. One person may be connect more than one time also. I have 1 lakh IP addresses are available, but I want to connect, I want to get the unique IP addresses details. Just a matter of the simple set and regular expression concept. With these two, we can achieve our question. For regular expression, we have a one module is there RE. Now today we are discussing about the set. Okay, come back. Set we can call it is a mutable by using add method. It is also immutable. But blindly don't give one answer. But why? Because if you give mutable, immediately I will ask the item assignment. And set never follow the insertion order. There is no chance to index and slicing. This is too not possible. When the position is fixed, item position is fixed, insertion order. And I provided some assignment on this one. For that, I'm coming to here. A equals to, I'm just creating empty set type of A. Don't try with only in this way, sir. It is not set empty one. It is going to one more data type. Today's heading dict. It is wrong. First one only empty set. If I call dir of A, now please confirm it. Everything is clear. This is your assignment. So you should not ignore even single element. This is your assignment I provided. Yes, you have to complete that one, sir. You have to involve in the session. Is there any confusion part? Please confirm it. I will explain. Otherwise, shall I explain everything? That is up to you only.
Explain, sir, you want.
Okay. So two sets I am selecting. Type of B also. So all are sets. These two sets are fixed. Okay. First one. Add function, sir. What is the add and how to use it? Help of dict. The result is coming from A na? A dot add. Already we completed this one. Adding one element to this set. How many common elements are there, sir, here? 30 and Azure also same.
One.
10, 20 and individually Python 30.14, special here 30, 40 and shell. Okay. So just give me one conclusion. Can I add one element to the existing list by using add method? Here
We
add
can.
method is
Yes.
Yes, sir.
a dot add, but see the insertion order. If we inserted 10, 20, 30, this is the order we provided, but it is not providing, it is not giving any same order. That's why we are calling it is not following the insertion order. However, we are inserting inside of a set, the same order it is not following. Right? So I will add one element to the existing list. A dot add A is my set name. I am providing one element. The fifth is added randomly some position. Randomly some position into. So the next one is add after clear. Even for that one, I don't want to disturb the existing one. Already we have one diagram is there. 1020 C. C dot clear. Simply it is creating empty set. Empty set is not representing in this way. Empty set. Length of C. Error or 0 or nothing.
It's 0.
empty.
Is it 0?
Zero.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It
None.
is 0. 0 only. Trouble object, there is no element. No element. Copy is clear. Copy is clear. Copy is clear.
Yes, sir.
The copy. One more time we will see. I'm A, type of A, ID of A. This is address of list. I'm sorry, set A. Copies are having two options. Copy having two options. The deep copy is available everywhere, sir. First one is add, next one is clear directly, no doubt. Directly you can use it. A equals to otherwise 1020. Print A if you call any position, any order you can get it. A dot add 30. The element will be added, but not particularly first position, second position. It is not possible to define. Clear means it will delete. A dot clear. The result will be empty, empty set, empty set representation. Next copy, yes, deep copy and shallow copy. Deep copy having same address, ID is same, and always the syntax equals to C equal to A. C equals to A. Type of C, ID of C, ID of A. Both are same. If you do any change in the set A, that will be affected in set B, set C. C dot add 60. A is affected with 60 and C also there. C also there. See, again I will change here. So, but if you come to the shallow copy, D equals to A dot copy. D basically, what is the A, sir? No, I'm sorry. You should come to here. A, D as of now, no. D equal to A dot copy. Initially, both are same. But observe that one ID of D, different addresses. If I add a element into D set, it is affected, but A is still same. Both are two different copies, similar to your list copy, list copy, list copy, similar to list copy, deep copy, shallow copy. So D equals to A dot copy. Next fourth one, difference. What is the A difference B? If I write A difference B, first set this is A and B. First confirm it. All are having same elements or not? Just confirm it. A B. A having 10, 20, Python 50. Yes, all the elements are available. And B having 40 shell, Azure 30 shell. Yes. Now tell me, if I call A dot difference, what is the result? A dot
30 also.
difference of B. Only concentrate on set A. Only concentrate on set A elements. A dot difference of B means we have to concentrate on set A. Which are available on set B, ignore it. See, here closely observe difference. A difference B is different and B difference A is different. So A difference B means set A only. Any element is available in set B, ignore it. And the result also set. What is the answer for this? 1020 Python 30.14 50 60.
Yes.
A difference B. We are unable to get the answer. So go to the help document. Set A difference. All elements that are in the set but not in other set. Simple answer. Set elements of A. Set elements of A. But if any element available in B, set A means this total together. Any element is available in set B, that we have to ignore it. I mean common elements, ignore it. Concentrate on set A. Concentrate on set A. Any element is available in set B, you can ignore it. Is it fine? Is it correct? Okay. Same question I am asking in reverse order. Same answer will come or different answer will come. Now my
Different
question
on
is B difference A.
partition only.
Potential.
Potential. That concentrate on set B. So lot of difference is there. Lot of difference is there comparing with these two. What is the main difference? Difference is there. Difference update also there. What will happen? See, after printing the result, is there any change in set A and B?
No.
For example, I am writing B dot A dot difference of underscore update of B. Now it will not print anything. The result is updated in set A or not.
Yes.
That is the difference. Updated inside of the set A. Again, I am come back to my set A. 1 second. Update means the result will come to the set A. Even symmetric also say there is a symmetric also there. There also same result we will get. Right. Discard means okay, we are completely zero. How to use discard? Really, if you are a function, tell me how to use it. Remove an element from the set if it is a member. Unlike set remove, discard method does not raise any exception. Only one difference: set remove, discard. Both are same, but discard will not raise any error. Really, is there any remove? Yes, we have here. We have here. We have here. See, generally, if you take a set A or C, like I will take the deep copy. D is a one set. D dot discard directly it is not working. It required one argument. I am providing 20. 20 presently available. I am providing a 20. Now set C. 20 is not there. Discard 400. No errors. This is a one benefit. It is not throwing any error if element is not part of in the list set. Even remove also they are saying that one same work will do. If I try to remove one more element, 66 is not available. See, T error. Same thing if I am performing with the discard, this is the output. Usage is clear, sir? How to what is the main difference to discard and remove?
Yes.
Both will remove the provided value only. If value is not there, remove will raise the value error symbol. Yes, remove value. Value is not part of the set key error, and simply discard similar to remove. If provided value is not part of the set, it won't raise any error. Okay, fine. This is about the set D. You can go with set D or DAR. Sorry, discard. Intersection part is clear. Already on the last session, intersection underscore update. Okay, tell me. A dot A is there, B is there. A intersection B. A intersection B.
The
What is the meaning
com
of
Elements, elements.
common elements
That
or
is
none?
As
30
you.
and 30.
That is.
Okay. What about B intersection C? Sorry, B intersection A.
Same.
Same only. But observe here A difference B, B difference A, both are not same. Even A intersect A symmetric difference of B, B symmetric difference of A, both are same. Symmetric means ignoring common elements. In set A and B, ignoring common elements other than common elements in the two sets. Other than common elements in the two sets, other than intersection part, symmetric means. But the difference is a when we take A dot B is different, A dot difference of B is different, B dot difference of A is different. Symmetric means simple sir, this is the intersection, and this area we will call symmetric. Symmetric simply. And these three together without duplicates, that is a union. Symmetric underscore update also same. First set, if you write A dot symmetric difference underscore update, it will update in set A. The result will be updated. Simple to similar to difference update. What is a disjoint? Disjoint A is disjoint of B. Disjoint. What is a disjoint? Concept of this. Okay, first give the conclusion. Intersection and symmetric difference both are clear. Both these two are other than core operations are clear. Intersection, symmetric difference. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. What is a disjoint? Boolean value. Any method starting with is, it return Boolean value true or false. Disjoint means intersection part is empty. Intersection part is empty. Symmetric, one second, symmetric difference and update. And next one, intersection and update. Here two are covered. Here also two are covered. Disjoint means intersection part of any two sets is empty. That is a disjoint. That is a disjoint. Now give a conclusion. Is it disjoint? A and B, A and B. A is disjoint of B. True or false? Disjoint means if it is true, there is no common elements.
False.
This one. Okay. For example, I'm taking x equals to 10, 20, 30, y equals to 40, 50. X is disjoint of y.
True.
So there is no common elements, that is a disjoint. Next, the subset superset concept is clear. One more time. Each word is there, sir. I'm going to create one more set. Just one, two, three. Otherwise, see x and y. Simple. Set function purpose is other iterable objects we can convert as a set. See, range objects we are making as a set objects. Simple. Now, x is starting with is boolean value is subset of x is subset of y. X is a subset of y. X is a smaller assistant of y. X is a assistant of y.
No.
Yes.
No.
Y is that
X is a big
Y?
yeah, y is a subset of y is a subset of x. Y is a subset of x. And x is superset of y. X is
Yes,
a
sir.
superset of y. Simple way.
True.
General English only. General English only. General English. Starting with is means that the written boolean value. Example is line number 82. This is disjoint. Is disjoint. Yes. 14. Is there any idea of pop function? Without help, can we will try. D is a one set. There is no element. D is a one set. D dot pop. Same similar to previous list one or not. If you take the go to the previous data type, list will follow the insertion order. There also pop function is there. Is it correct way is working?
Yes, sir.
Always minus one position it will delete. Otherwise you can specify the position. It will work. Yes. If value is not there, you will get the error. This is a index error you will get. Now here also randomly one here you should not give that answer last one. Is it last one? Is it last one? Randomly. Why? Because it doesn't follow the insertion order. Insertion order. See, if I provide, if I random one, that is a it is pop means is a not a last position. Random one. Remove and return a arbitrary any one of the element.
Okay. For the next time, if we remove any the same list, then it will be remove any other.
Anyone, not only the last one.
Yeah.
On the screen, we are seeing 30.14. But
Yeah.
set never follow the insertion order. If it is a last one, is it possible to access minus one?
Yes.
Is it possible? Can we get print 30.14 if it is a we are saying on it is a last element in that set D. Can I print the last element in this way? Is it possible in the list in the set?
No. No.
No.
No. No.
If it is possible, we can delete it directly. Minus one. So whatever you are seeing on the screen, this is not a proper insertion order. Maybe in the same session, if you stop the machine, the order will be different. The order will be different. So that's why randomly it will delete one value. If I give specified value, see if I give one more time, random value it is deleted. If I'm saying delete this value, takes no argument. Simply it is saying that one, yeah, I don't take any arguments. You are trying to provide, but I don't take any arguments. Randomly one position it will delete. Simply they are saying that one, okay, you can delete in this way. Finally, if there is no value, it will throws the error. That is a plan. Simple. That is a plan. Value, any value it will delete. Pop never take any value. Already remove is over with work with the number. Remove and discard having some similarity. Somewhere we have a discard here. These three are clear to delete the items.
Pop, where exactly we will use? How it will be useful?
Really random value if you want to delete it only, but useful one these two. Specified value if you want to delete, you can go with this one. If you want to decrease the size of the set,
Set.
you can go with
Okay. Okay.
any
Got it.
unknown value. I mean, any one of the value if you want to delete, you can go with pop.
Okay.
Like
And
imagine
remove and discard for the fixed index value.
not index value, yes, position, not index. Any value if you provide that value, it will delete
Yeah,
particular
position means
it, any position,
any
any
position.
position. And only one value only available in set. Also, there is no chance to two values. Am I right? Why? Because set is a unique one. Na? There is no chance to duplicate. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible in this way? 20, 40, 20 is available.
No, sir.
Not possible. Why? Because set means unique. Even if you provide the values 2 to 3 times, 200 times, if you provide, you can provide 1000 times also. But really, is it going to maintain 22 times? So
No.
if you call remove 20, acceptable. Uh, remove 20, acceptable. If you remove 40, discard also same. But pop will delete anything, sir. That is, you cannot expect that one. You cannot expect that one. A equals to what is, I'm sorry, set is missing. Discard. Discard will not work without arguments. So you have to provide some argument. A1 is deleted. If you provide a value which is not part of the set, no issue. It will work. A dot remove should be if you have to provide the list element, set element. If not there, previously we provided, this is a one difference only. And pop is deletion with any value. Pop will delete any value. That is doesn't matter. Yes. One more time, these two are clear. These two same category, and this is without argument. It will work. The bracket no value is required with pop. Is it clear? This one and these two.
Correct. Okay.
It won't
Yes.
throws any error. Discard never throws an error if even element is not in the set, but it throws an error. And symmetric is just now we completed. Union. What is the union operation mainly? What is the main purpose of union? A union
Union
B means what?
Common value.
common
Common
values.
element, not common. Unique values in
Unique
the
value
two
between
sets.
two sets.
A is there, B is there. A union B. Here, Azure is here and there in set A, set B, but uniquely available here. Writing one time, sir, this 30 Azure and 30 is available in set A and set B, but writing only one time all things. These are unique and this side are unique. Especially this middle 30 and Azure repeated more than one time. In the set A one time, set B one time. Write only one time, that is. And update is similar to add, but update will take the another iterable object. L A, what is the set name? A dot update. Update is set with the union of itself and others. Okay. For example, set A, set B. A dot union of B, sorry, not union, update of B. B values will be inserted in set A, but uniquely, which is repeated again already in set A. See that one updated or not? Especially as of now, set B having 40 and shell. Now, which is inserted or not?
Yes.
Okay, here one more thing. Update Python. Will it work? Update, spelling mistake. Any iterable object, not only B, any iterable object you can insert it here. Joining one set, another set. For one set is there with some values, you can attach one more another iterable object. The another iterable object, anything, either set or list or dict or string or range, any one of them. That will be inserted inside of the set A. Already, for example, here 1, 2. Here also 1, 2 is there. Already 1, 2, 3 is there. So just add the new element. Or for example, 1 to 5 is there. That extra one only it will be added. Duplicates are ignored by here. So that is the update. Add will add one element. Update works with iterable object. Merging. That's why we will call less than set both are same set. But some operations set having a specific features. Unique is the best feature. If you want to make any list unique, set is the best option. Right? In the list, there is a one element is there, append, which is equals to your add. In the list, there is a extend is there. Here it is a update. That's why most of the set list operations are similar to set operations. Even pop, remove. So final conclusion, set is a immutable and mutable. But if you see any document, they will show you mutable. So, but finally you have to give simple conclusion. It is a unique values. It takes no insertion order. No insertion order. It won't follow the insertion order. Immutable reason is item assignment. Mutable, add, remove, pop, all are changing the set nature or not. Update, discard, all these are changing the existing set elements in the same address location or not. Am I right?
Yes.
All are changing the behavior of the same address location only. We are changing that one. Changes are possible in the same address location. So from this data type, one more data type came, that is a data type number 10, Frozenset. Frozenset. It is completely, actually, from why these they introduced the one more concept, set having two natures. So especially to show immutable nature, we have a frozen locked set. like tuple, like tuple, like tuple. We cannot change that one after creation. So we cannot create it directly. There is no bracket concept. We can create this object with the help of the frozen set function only. Like range, how we are creating directly, how we are creating the range directly, only one approach, brackets, function concept. Here also this is. It is purely immutable. Changes are not possible. Changes are not possible means if I take the set on, so these all are changes are possible, like add, clear, changes, changing this one. And if what is the next one? Remove, pop. Other than remaining functions are available. First, see, I am creating frozen set. How to use it? I am completely zero. How to use it? I don't know even single line. Simply saying that one frozen set, empty frozen set, brackets. You have to provide a iterable object. Good. Empty frozen set creation, frozen set A, type of A, dir of A. See, all methods are not available. Why? Because it is not the modifications are not possible. We will create one object B equals to frozen set, one iterable object I am taking. Now tell me, will it accept the duplicate values? List is
No.
one iterable object. Similar to your set only, sir. There is no change. There is no change. B dot add is not there. How can we do the add? See, is there any add here? There is no add. There is no add. Changes are not possible. And one more set I am taking. C A dot disjoint of is disjoint of B, and same operation. These operation all are same in the frozen set only. But there is no add method. Even though if you try to add, A is a one frozen set or B is one frozen set, B dot add 40. Previously it is worked. How can you do this one? Actually, add is not there in the B. What is the B? B is a frozen set. If you take the dir of B, there is no element. These are the valid operations, completely immutable. There is no other option. Even if you try to do the item assignment, length of B is working. It is iterable object acceptable. B, type of B, B of index number 1. Actually, I don't know the order. How can I give the insertion order? Index is not working. Even if you try to store, frozen set object is not supported. Actually, index concept is completely wrong. That question is wrong in the set. Index working, then you can go to the index item assignment. Index only not work. Here, index position is not perfect. Not perfect means randomly it will take any position. Set items will take randomly any position. So this is about the data type 10. Similar to all operations are similar to, but all operations are not available. Whatever the existing, this one, which is common to, similar to your set. Similar to your set. So one more important data type is there, and set string operations also there. I remember that point. Set operations, str operation 47 also there. If you take any string object dir of a, these 47 operations are very important. You can modify any string, very important, sir. So now we are in data number 10, 11, dict, 12, none, 13 bytes, 14 bytes array. These three will complete in 5 minutes, not a matter, but dict is one important one. And str of integer, str of float, str functions are pending up to here. So hardly 3 sessions are required to complete these data types. Then after we will go to the operators. Right. I'm going to stop here. We will see the remaining component. Tomorrow I will complete the remaining data types. If possible, 1 to 5 dir operations we will see. In that, very again I'm saying that one string dir is important. 47 methods are there. All are not important, but we will see everything. Hardly 10 to 12, 10 to 12 is important. So uppercase, lowercase, how to like divide a string, how to split, join. These areas we will see in the next session. Before going to close the session, is there any doubts in this today's session?
Yeah, yeah. For that, this is joint, is subset, and is we use only that integer value inside that.
Where's are here? This is you can take any object, not only number. You can take anything. You're
Okay,
talking
okay.
about the frozen set. Frozen set, any
No,
item you can
no,
take
no, no,
it.
no. Not
Hmm.
frozen. Is joint starting with is joint, is subset, is superset, like those.
Hmm. This is written Boolean values.
Okay.
Boolean values it will written. Yes or no questions. Like what is the question tags? Question tag. Yes or no. Simple answer. Disjoint means
Uh, Not common.
simple. That's no common elements. True. Subset, superset like super and assistant and master like concept. Symmetric means other than intersection of two sets. Is it simple statement?
Yeah.
Symmetric is nothing but other than intersection part. Is it simple? Yes or no?
Yes.
Intersection. Right. In the next session, one more different data type. Dict we will see. This simple key and value approach is there, sir. Very useful in the functions concept. Dict data type.